Ever wanted to try henna but felt intimidated? This step-by-step guide is for you. First things first, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Any oils or lotions? Wash those off so the henna sticks better. Next, grab your henna cone. Snip a tiny bit off the tip, smaller hole, finer lines. Trust me, start small. Start with a dot in the middle of your hand. Now, draw a small circle around it. See? Already looking cool. Let's add petals around your circle, like a flower. Don't worry if they're not perfect. Imperfections make it unique. Now draw little half moons between your petals. Add tiny dots to fill in spaces. You can keep it simple or get creative with swirls and lines. If your henna clogs, just roll the cone a bit or wipe the tip. Go slow, steady hands win here. Once your design is done, let it dry for at least 30 minutes. The longer, the better. To deepen the color, dab on a mix of lemon juice and sugar. Leave the paste on as long as you can, overnight if possible. When you're ready, gently scrape off the dried henna. Avoid water for a few hours to let the stain develop fully. That's it. You've just made your first henna art. Show it off, snap a pic, and keep practicing. You're officially a henna artist now.